How to use chat for movie commentary on YouTube. Credit, voter.com. Using ChatGPT for movie commentary on YouTube can be a unique and engaging way to provide insights and analysis to your audience. Here are some steps to follow to use ChatGPT for movie commentary on YouTube. 1. Choose a movie to analyze. Choose a movie. It can be a recent release, a classic film, or a personal favorite. Credit, hub pages. 2. Develop a script. Develop a script that outlines the main points you want to cover in your commentary. Include your overall impressions of the movie, insights into the story and characters, and any other relevant information you want to share with your audience. Credit, jetcttimes.com. 3. Use ChatGPT to enhance your commentary. Use ChatGPT to generate additional insights and analysis that you can include in your commentary. For example, you can ask ChatGPT questions about the movie's themes, symbolism, or historical context, and use the responses to provide a deeper analysis of the film. Credit, dcufilmfestival.com. 4. Create your video. Record your commentary using a webcam or screen capture software. You can use video editing software to add visual elements such as movie clips, images, or graphics to enhance your commentary. 5. Publish and promote your video. Publish your video on YouTube and promote it through social media channels and other online platforms. Encourage your viewers to share their own thoughts and insights in the comments section. Credit, shoutmeloud. By using ChatGPT to enhance your movie commentary on YouTube, you can provide a unique and engaging experience for your audience. It can help you provide deeper insights and analysis that can make your content stand out in a crowded field.